Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky, central Hopkins County in northwestern Kentucky, Union County in northwestern Kentucky, Webster County in northwestern Kentucky until 5:30 p.m. At 4:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Clay, or 7 miles east of Sturgis, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madisonville, Morganfield, Providence, Sturgis, Breckenridge Center, Seabury, Burlington, Clay, Dixon, Gordon, Henson, Waverly, Nebo, Slaughters, and Leechcraft. This includes Interstate 69 in Kentucky near mile marker 100, in between mile markers 112 and 136.
That's what she said.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Henderson, Hopkins, Union, and Webster.